Okay, guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing today, Rajni and Wasim?
I'm doing
Yeah.
good. I'm just in buzzing in my buzz moments.
Very good, very good, very good.
Yeah. Doing great.
Good, good. So, guys, as you are seeing, and yet, are you even feeling that, like, after doing the decision-making tool and this buzz movement activity, is there is a transformation in you? Like, how do you feeling like?
Yes, I'm feeling like singing every time while cooking, while doing some other activities. Yes, this is really nice, this is adding value. You can
Mm.
utilize your
Absolutely,
time in the best state of your mind. Thank you so
absolutely.
much.
Thank you, Rajni. And Wasim, how about you?
Yeah, actually, I am also creating a more buzz movement, and I got a key of secret of happiness. This
Hmm.
buzz movement is so, yeah, it's feeling very good.
Very good, very good. So, guys, now this session is the last of our session for this week 4. And, guys, so this part of this week, I want to tell you like in this session, we'll be covering our mastermind group. So, the topic is mastermind group. So, in this, we'll be like covering what kind of people we are surrounded with, and then we will segregate them and try to understand what type of people we should stay with or we should spend most of our time with. So let me just quickly explain you what is mastermind group. So it's there available in your page number 108. So having great people around you can greatly help you not only stay committed to your quest but enjoy the ride all the way more. Your incredible you coach, which is me, will introduce you to the other people on the program. So you have support and they will make you laugh, they will make you challenge, they will make push you so that you can help achieve your desired dream. So thoughts to keep on going. So this is basically like when we in life time to time we feel like disheartened, we give up. But this mastermind group is so powerful. These people will come, they hold your hand and they'll help you, they'll inspire you, they will, and you will need a dose of unconditional love, cheering up, being appreciated or understood. This support comes, like it will come from your friends, it will be your family, peers, mentors, and the incredible you participants who should be there in your life. They will help you to achieve your purpose and ultimately become an even better version of yourself. As we always say, like there's a very critical, they'll say, when we have a good mentor, it can be a father, mother, it can be a friend. So they really help us, like achieving us or guiding us when we are in the midst of nowhere. So do you agree with this, guys?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, okay. And guys, let me just be honest with you. Like when I was completing my this incredible you course, so there were some really amazing people with me who like supported me when I was down, and they like pushing me that you can do it. So they believed in my abilities when I myself did not believe. So that's the magic of this mastermind group. So guys, as you can see on your page number 109, so there's a like classification of group, like type of people we hang around with. It can be a friend, family, peers, and you can just go through it and read it. So
Okay.
now guys, we will move on to our activity, which is called my mastermind circle. So in this, you have to answer some questions. From these questions, you will come to know how much value your current group is adding to your life, what
Yes.
you can do to change it if there no value had been added. So this we will, the purpose of this activity is just to identify with who we spend most of our time, I will say most of our precious time, and
Yes.
make that time be spent with people who actually add value to our life. Because the costliest, anything can come back, money can come back, name and fame come back, but once the time is gone, it will never come back.
Yes.
So
That
that's
will
very
never.
important. So we should spend that time with the quality people. So guys, the step by step instruction how you need to do is, you have to answer the set of questions about the important people from your life and who they spend your time with and who you spend your time with. The second step, you have to answer a set of questions and identify those who do not add value to your life, but they are still part of your life. So guys, I'm going to give you some around like 30 minutes. Please
Sure.
read the question thoroughly and answer them carefully. And once you're done, please let me know. Then we'll move forward. Okay.
Sure.
Good. So
Done.
you guys done?
Yeah, done.
Okay. Okay. So let me just start with Wasim. Wasim, please let me know who makes you laugh.
Yeah, mostly my son, and when with I'm with my friend circle.
Oh, good, good.
Yeah,
So who makes you think differently?
yeah, my mentor and as well you
Good.
as my coach and my mastermind and books.
Very good. Very good. And who challenges you?
Yeah, one of actual leading speaker, Robin Sharma, is
Okay.
always when I see him, so it like to push me, so it
Okay.
give me a challenge.
Okay.
So yeah,
So you have taken Robin Sharma like as
uh,
your real life friend, and you spend most of the time with him.
yeah,
So is there any other person who is in your circle apart from this like digital who challenges you?
yeah. My one of the friend circle, his name is Tanvir. He's a
Okay.
great businessman and a
Hmm.
friend of as a, so he inspired me as well, and he give me some challenge as well
Very good.
to do
Very good.
something. Yeah.
And who inspires you?
Yeah, as my I said, he is my friend. Tanvir is his name.
Hmm.
Because of his business and his new strategies, so that inspired me to do
Okay. So
something.
he do
Me
both
as
of the
well.
thing, challenging and inspiring.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Okay. So who is in your support team, and
Mm.
how do you they help you learn, grow, and reach your dreams?
Yeah, of course. First priority is my family, who always give me time, room
Hmm.
to do something. They don't disturb me while I'm doing anything. And second, my mastermind group as well.
Wow. Good. And who would you ideally like to add in your mastermind group?
Yeah, if I want to add, so there are some motivational speaker who I'm like to add, like Robin Sharma, I said, and Vishen Lakhiani, and one is Pushkar Raj, who is teaching
Yeah.
about to how be millionaire.
Okay.
So that I would like to add them in my mastermind group.
Okay. So you want to add your virtual friends into your mastermind group.
Yep, yep.
Very good. Very good. And how much time do you currently spend with people in your mastermind group?
I think more than 1 hour I daily spend with them to
Hmm.
get insight what
Very
I'm
good.
learning daily. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So who do you know, like who spend most of your conversation being negative about something, or they are like complaining about something? So who are these people? Like,
Yeah, there are some friend in my circle who always talking to comparing with others and talking negative stuff, mostly about political news and something. Yeah, some are there in my friend circle.
so can you name anyone like?
Yeah, it's Rajesh and one Vinay
Okay.
are there. Yeah,
Okay. So who else are you tolerating?
yeah. Right now, actually, I'm not tolerating to anyone.
Okay.
Actually, I'm
Good.
apart from all of them. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So how much time do you currently spend each week with people you tolerate? As you like, okay, you said you're not
Hmm.
tolerating, but who
Yeah.
don't add value in your life. So there's no one
Yeah,
like that.
yeah, due to they are in my neighbors, so I have to meet them. So in a
Hmm.
week, two through time, 10 to 15 minutes, I have to make time with them as well.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's like a courtesy because since
Yeah.
they're a friend, you cannot even deny. Okay.
Mhm.
Good. So what can you do to spend more time with people who support you, nurture you, and they add value in your life?
I think I had to set time with them. So while morning walk or while workout or weekly 2 3 times, I have to meet with them.
Hmm. Okay. So, and Wasim, like once you have done this activity and we have answered all this question, so do you think that you're moving in the right direction?
Yeah, of course. Actually, due to these questions, I've come to know that if I will be in a good, positive mastermind circle, that will make me excel in my future as well. So before, I had not thought of this thing. So I have to be spend my most of the time with the good, positive thinking people, and I have to reduce my time to go with such a people who talk about negative stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Good. So, guys, Wasim, can you see the clarity what you're getting after this activity? that
Yeah, of course.
how
Mhm.
valuable time you're spending with people and without people who are not adding value to your life.
Yeah, of course, definitely.
Okay, good. And thank you very much, Wasim, for sharing this thing. And guys, with this, let me just quickly tell you the next activity, which is also very important. And the name of this activity is toxic people activity. So, guys, this is the second step of the previous one. Now, who exactly are the toxic people? So, the people you choose to spend your time with should be inspiring, positive, and honest in their opinion. So these people are people pleasures and people pleasers. I must say, sorry, people pleasers. So people pleasers are toxic. If someone you hang out with does not currently bring any value to your life and you want to do something about it, then you need to answer the 7 toxic questionnaires, which I'm going to give you. And you need to answer them all and make sure all the 7 questions for each person who is there in your life who's not adding value, you answer these 7 questions for each person. Okay. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 15 minutes to finish this activity, and once you're done, please let me know. We can start.
Sure.
Okay. So the if you to talk about the questions, they're in your manual, so you can start and let me know.
Sure. Done.
Okay, good.
Yeah, done.
So now I will ask from Rajni. So Rajni, please let me know, what are you gaining and losing by spending your limited and precious time with this person?
Yeah, I'm not gaining anything. Exactly what
Okay,
should I tell you? And I'm losing my energy and time.
okay, okay,
Yes.
good, good. So what would happen if you did spend and if you don't spend your precious time with them or this
Yeah,
toxic people?
definitely. As I told you that I have already spent some time and that time was really wasted. That time I can utilize somewhere else to develop, to improve myself. So
Okay,
it's gone. But and money part also have spent somehow. It's loss
yeah.
of money also.
So Rajni, these toxic people, are there around in your like family, friends, or where they are?
They are around me only, yes.
Okay, okay. So
And that negative influence I can feel every time.
okay, okay. So what are you going to do differently about, and how you gonna spend your time with this person?
Yeah, I will not spend of course time, and I will limit myself from making relation or making like talking or calling him or her, so that I can do and I can utilize this time for my betterment.
Yeah, yeah. So Rajni, can you see this? So we were like mostly not aware. So we just go with life. We are not even aware. Okay, this person is putting negative thing, or he's always talking about negative about himself and all. And by end of the day, we also feel like negative.
Correct.
So that's a very good decision that you said, like, I'm not going to spend much of the time with them. I'm going to spend more with the people who add value to my life. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay. So Rajni, first of all, thank you very much. And Wasim, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much for sharing all this beautiful insights of yours. Thank you. And guys, with this, I hope you enjoyed this session. You got some really good the knowing what is mastermind group and how you can spend more time with those empowering people who are like helping you to achieve your dreams, and you need to limit some time with the toxic people. You need to avoid them, people pleasures and all. So is this was a great session, guys.
Yes, yes, of
Yeah,
course,
yeah,
great.
definitely.
Thumbs up, guys. Give
Yes,
me
yes,
thumbs up.
very
Good.
useful.
Yep.
Thanks a lot.
Good. So, guys, with this, I will say we have successfully completed our week 4, and it was a pleasure with you guys, as I always say. And with this session, we're gonna wrap, and we're gonna meet on the next session. That will be a week 5. Till then, guys, before we sign off, take your hand, put it on your shoulder, and say, Abhi, you did a very awesome job.
Yeah,
Rajni,
Wasim,
you
you
did
have
a
done
very good job. Thank
great
Okay,
job.
you.
guys, always remember, be happy, be excited, and God bless you. You never be the same, and always achieve excellence in your life. See you guys in the next
Bye
session. Take
bye.
care.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much. Bye bye.